In welfare and office areas, there is a higher risk of employees coming into contact with the same touchpoints. It is important to take extra precautions to lower the risk of spreading the virus between staff members. Take space and capacity into account and make sure that the welfare is the correct size to ensure distancing between individuals as per the government guidance, or that you stagger break times to make sure that distancing can be matched to the capacity that you have. Use signs to indicate the maximum number of people to occupy an area at one time. At no point should employees share food or drink, crockery or cutlery. To ensure the lowest risk of transmission, ask staff to bring in their own hot food and drink from home, take their crockery home to wash, and set up a clear cleaning regime for canteens. Staff should wash their hands before and after break times, and if you are working in a rural environment, extra care needs to be taken to ensure that water and generator fuel is in enough supply to power hand washing facilities. If you have a large number of people on site, you may need to clean high contact areas hourly. Another option is to clean touchpoints after each use, using disposable cleaning materials and disposable PPE such as gloves, safety glasses or face masks. As a rule of thumb, cleaning detergents with a 70% alcohol content will be sufficient to kill off any virus. You can also use 1/4 cup of bleach per gallon of water or cleaning sprays which combat viruses. If you have any doubts, check the label first. After cleaning, dispose of used supplies and PPE by double bagging the waste and leaving it in a secure store for 72 hours. After this period of time, waste can be thrown away in the regular rubbish disposal. And be sure to wash your hands after cleaning. It is easy for people to become relaxed about cleaning. However, it is critical that everyone stays vigilant and sticks to the rules. It might be useful to repeat these rules in the morning briefing to keep them fresh in the minds of staff members. As part of the Social Distancing for Archaeology Toolkit, we have provided a Toolbox Talk template that supervisors and field officers can use on site to remind and reinforce key social distancing procedures, and also pointers on how to clean and maintain hygiene standards.